Okay, hey folks, Terry Brown here. Thanks so much for taking a moment to check out this video. And I haven't done a video on this particular program in about maybe a week and a half. Could be 2 weeks. I'm not sure, but nonetheless, I needed to get something out today because this is an incredible program, low cost. High profit potential opportunity. And the question is simple. Are you ready to make $200 plus per day? Okay, you can tap into the ultimate money making machine. And I suggest that you go ahead and do it. Look, $29.95 one time out of pocket. And then you're able to fill your bank account with $20 deposits time and time again. Okay, and here's how you start. You just get started. Number one, get started today. Purchase your fully automated mini site package for only $20. Okay, very affordable. And again, what I love about it, it's no monthly fees. Okay, and it's one time out of pocket. You get set up. Okay, complete your mini site setup for just $9.95. So there you have it, $29.95, and you are in business to start earning $20 over and over again. And then you do what? You share your site, okay? Showcase your site to millions of people online who are seeking simple and affordable ways to make money. And there are a lot of people who are looking for a great, low cost, high profit potential opportunity. Okay, and you just have to be one that's willing to share. Okay, all right, let's go to the next page. Okay, so how's your imagination? Okay, imagine opening your email to countless notification of payment received, messages from people all across the internet. Okay, visualize the excitement of $20, $160, and even $360 payments rolling in daily to your PayPal or Cash App. And you can use either one or you can use both. Okay. The other thing is that we believe in and that is dreaming big. Okay. What if you could get 1 million people to send you $20 each? Wouldn't that be crazy? That would just be amazing. All right. But look, we know that's a staggering $20 million. All right. But even reaching half of that amount would mean 10 million. Okay. Coming your way. And, that might be a little maybe far-reaching, far-fetched. But just think about if you can do averaging 2 sales or 3 sales per day or per week even. Man, just think about, do the math, okay? Look, the potential income is virtually unlimited and depends on how much effort you put into the program. Earn $20 per sale with no caps, okay? New users can make a conservative $160 to $640 plus per week, okay? And I'm sure that you could use that extra income, right? And in closing this video, your mini site sells itself. Take advantage of this incredible mini site that works 24/7 to create your personal income stream. It's that easy. And we have ways for you. Man, you could use Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and a lot of you guys know how to navigate through social media, and you can make some really great income with this program. Okay. Okay, but there you have it for this video, and I want to wish you a blessed and amazing day today. Grab that link in the description area of this video and get started with our program today. This wonderful, amazing low cost, high profit potential program, Easy20Now. I'm Terry Brown. You be blessed. Bye-bye.